so here we're gonna take a look at the modern examples of playing the sharpest lines of dragons. So let's go through the opening real quick. Knight goes to f3, d6, knight f6, knight c3, develop the bishops, f3 securing the g4 square, solidifying the center, knight c6, queen goes up, preparing for the castle. Now black wants to play d5, so white develops the bishop at the same time, defending against d5. Black develops the bishop on the only available square. Bishop goes to b3, rook goes to c8. So now, in the previous game here, white continued h4 instead of bishop b3. However, here white preferred bishop b3, and only here h4. So now here's an interesting point. Black goes ahead and plays h5. So what it does, it keeps white from advancing with g4. At the same time, it does create a couple weaknesses around black's king. Those in particular, the h6, g5, and g6 got a little bit weaker. And it's not quite possible, seemingly, the idea of g4. Going for g4 looks a bit risky for white now, since black is going to be capturing and putting pressure on this whole center right here. However, this idea is feasible and actually happens quite a bit. So we're going to look at an example of this dynamic game where black comes up with interesting resources to develop the counterplay and hold white's initiative up until finding very cool resources to defend and finally seize the initiative.